Welcome back everyone. I have bought myself a new microphone to record more higher quality voiceovers. This is Blue Yeti X, and I decided to disassemble it so I can evaluate the quality of my new toy. First, I have to unplug it so I can start to work on it. I will undo two screws that hold it in place and remove it from the stand. Here is the microphone stand. Here is the microphone without the stand. Very solid and no rattling sounds. It has great build quality from the outside. Let's see what happens from the inside. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to remove the rubber cap from the stand mount socket. This is the smallest screwdriver that I could find. Be careful not to scratch anything. Under the cap you can see a single screw. Take a T10 screwdriver bit and start to undo it. When it's done, you can just take off the bottom part of the enclosure. Notice these three positioners on the bottom and remember their orientation when assembling it back together. Here is the view from the bottom. If you need to disassemble it further, you need to press this plastic latch. Put your finger on it and press it in, and then push up until you hear a click. Then use a plastic prying tool not to scratch the enclosure. There is a double-sided tape under the plastic cap. Here's the plastic ring. This is the volume and gain indicator. You can see the tape on its back. Now the hardest part. On the other side, you need to press these two plastic latches, just like previously, but now I had to use a screwdriver, because I could not reach it. Press on one of the latches, and simultaneously try to insert the prying tool under the plastic ring. Then go around and remove it. There is also a double-sided tape under it. Now press the other latch and try to remove the plastic button. Here's the whole button enclosure. When assembling it, remember to put it back the right way. Now turn the enclosure around and start to remove the volume button. I use a plastic prying tool. You have to get it moving just a little bit. Then you can just pull it out. There is no glue this time. Now, to get the whole board out of the enclosure, you have to lift the outer plastic ring, and it slides right out. Here is the metal enclosure. To disassemble it further, you will need a T6 screwdriver. You can remove the pattern button subplate by undoing these two screws. Then just wiggle it out. Here's the back side of the main board. Now we need to remove the lighting on the volume button, undo two more screws, and wiggle this one out as well. Here is the main board from the front and back. There are 4 microphone sockets on the main board that connect to each microphone. To disassemble it further, you need an Allen wrench, and you must undo 4 screws. There is very limited space, so it takes a while. After that, you can remove the microphone mesh. Here is a look from the inside. And all 4 microphones that are attached to motherboard with these 4 connectors, each microphone separately. When you assemble it back again, notice these indicators for orientation. There's a pin for the microphone assembly. Also, the mesh can be put on only in one orientation. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. All the teardowns are made for you, and you can find many more on our channel. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.